Samsung is going to launch its new Samsung Galaxy M54. It is built with Android 13 OS and One UI. It has 6.7 inches Super AMOLED capacitive touchscreen display. It is a hybrid dual SIM and dual standby smartphone. The back camera of this phone is quad camera of 108MP. It also supports microSD card. It will be available in various colors. The front camera of this smartphone is of 32 megapixels. It has octa-core processor with MediaTek Dimensity chipset. Samsung Galaxy M54 has built-in memory of 128 gigabytes. The battery capacity of this smartphone is 5,000 milliamp hours. Please like the video and subscribe our channel.